So use eye protection before you use this kind of rotary tools. So here are a few polishing and grinding tips from the Parkside rotary tool polishing tips kit that I got from Lidl. And this is the nail clipper that I had to polish. So you can see the contour here. So this is the tip that I use. You see here. So you just move it along like this, right? Try not to hit the top or else you actually dull this when you're grinding it. So this is the rotary tool that I use. You can use any kind of rotary tool. So you can also squeeze the tip of the nail clipper together like this, and then run your polishing tip over like this. I think it works both ways. So not so dull anymore.